In this video, we'll talk about a very important tool, that is your ad preview and diagnosis tool. This is a very important tool if you're running a search campaign or a shopping campaign. This is the like you should know about this tool. Okay, this tool is from Google itself, ad preview and diagnosis tool. For example, let's say if you're running a search campaign, okay, and you don't have an idea for which keyword my ad is getting triggered or not. You want to get that idea. Then no need to go and search in Google. Otherwise, you have to pay for your own impressions. Getting it. So what you can do over here with this tool, you can search with the keyword over here. What are keywords you have added? Okay. Try with the different keywords. Just check if your ad is showing or not. They're gonna show you over here. Okay. If campaign is running, they're gonna show you over here. But this tool can be used only when the campaign is running. Okay. And this is only for your search and shopping ads. So you can change the location first over here. For example, if I make it India. Okay. You can choose the language, device, and the audience if you have added any. Okay. Now put the search query. Okay, and check if the let's say ad is getting triggered or not. If it is appearing on the screen on your, let's say, Google search results, you can see that over here and you can get an idea. If it's not appearing, go and check with the keywords. Okay, or maybe for the, let's say, a keyword where your ad should not get triggered, but still ad is getting triggered, so you need to put those keywords in negative match. Getting it. So you can get more concise with the your triggering scenario, okay, with this ad preview and diagnosis tool. Okay, the name itself says ad preview and diagnosis. If your ad is getting previewed, if you want it, good. If not, diagnosis. Put them into negative match, getting it. Or if you want to get a trigger our ad at some particular keyword, but it's not getting triggered, getting it, then we need to, let's say, change the keywords. Okay. So with this, the help of this tool, you can do that. Okay. You can understand like where your ad is, let's say, showing on Google search results and where your ad is not showing on Google search results. And as per that, you can plan your keywords. You can plan your negative keyword match list as well. Okay. So this is how we use this tool, ad preview and diagnosis tool. But make sure the condition is campaign should be running. Otherwise, we can't use this tool. Obviously, getting it. And second thing, okay, it can be used only for search and shopping ads. Okay, so I hope the concept is pretty clear. Thank you.